Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am here to break down simple ways to improve your online presence using tools like ChatGPT. So today I'll guide you step by step on how to write a professional website or portfolio bio without hiring a writer or worrying about fancy designs. All you need is your own story and ChatGPT. So what is a portfolio bio and why it matters? Your portfolio bio is just your digital handshake. It's the part of your website or portfolio that tells people who you are, what you do, and why they should care. So whether you are a designer, freelancer, artist, developer, student, or a coach, your bio should make people say, yes, I want to work with this person. So, but let's be honest, writing about yourself is hard. That's where ChatGPT comes in. So it can take the information you give it and turn it into a well-written, confident, and professional bio, personalized just for you. So let's go step by step. Remember here I'm using the ChatGPT for all version. You can use the free version, but this one is the best. So you just pay some few dollars, around $24 a month, then you start using it. So type a prompt like this. Let's say, for example, you have you give ChatGPT a prompt like this. Let me give it here. So write a short professional portfolio bio for me. I am a freelancer graphic designer who specializes in branding and visual identity. I've worked with startups and small businesses. I'm passionate about storytelling through design. So look at that kind uh, prompt that you want to give ChatGPT. You can even also replace your niche or your career or your area of specialization in this. So let's say, for example, you are a mathematician or a scientist or a scholar. You just come here and replace freelancing graphic designer, and then you replace it with your niche or area of study. Then you go ahead and prompt ChatGPT. You click enter, ChatGPT will give you the best output. So you make sure you give it the names and all that it needs. So here I am a freelancer graphic designer with a focus on branding and visual identity. I help startups and all that. It has created for you that portfolio bio based on your details that you've given it. So let's say, for example, you want something more casual, just ask. Maybe you want it short, just ask. Need it to fit a LinkedIn about section, just say that. Then it will make it suitable for a personal website. Keep it friendly and something like under certain words, like for example, uh, keep it friendly under 100 words. Then ChatGPT will refine your content there again. You have the best output. So make sure you add your personal touches, like for example, your value, your style, your mission, or even a fun fact. Then you just let's say, for example, want to add such things. We just prompt ChatGPT to do that. So we come here and we give it a prompt like this. Add a line that shows my love for minimalist design and that, then you see what it will give you. Look at that, it has added a line for you to say to make sure that you come up with the best output. So if you need more than just a short intro or a bio, make sure you can ask ChatGPT to make it long, about me paragraph, a list of services you offer, short skills, the summary, even call to action like let's work together, some things like that. Once you have the bio, you can copy and paste it directly into your portfolio website, your LinkedIn, your Fiverr, your Upwork profile, your resume, or your about page. No coding, no design, just words that work. So to make your bio really stand out, keep it short and focused. Use words that reflect your voice. Update it every few months. Get feedback from your friends and clients. Remember, your bio isn't just what you do, it's how you make others feel about working with you. So, and that is it. Now you know how to use ChatGPT to create sharp, professional bio for any platform without needing a designer, writer, or even a template. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment. What kind of bio are you working on? I might make a free template just for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.